right, so let's look at the front end here. Wow, vinyl stripes absolutely destroyed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It looks like a machine gun hit them. Tearing off the sides. Wow, torn here. Wow, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's just countless holes in the vinyl stripes. Even down here in the splitter, there's a little tiny chunk taken out, a bunch of different little chips in there. Vinyl stripes are not holding up very well to the abuse. Continuing up to the lower hood here, chip, chip, chip. These vinyl stripes are gonna have to be replaced. At least these are in smaller pieces, so hopefully it'll be easy. Hopefully it's gonna be possible because they're sitting on Expel. So for those of you considering Expel and vinyl stripes, my recommendation is to put the vinyl stripes under the Expel. I didn't do that because it would change the glossiness. It would make the stripes look a little bit glossy, and mine are matte. But I think that the Expel guys have a way of working around that. Pro tip, put your stripes under the Expel. Okay, let's take a look at, I'm gonna do a full Expel review since I've had it since July or August, so I'll do a full Expel review pretty soon. Continuing on looking at the paint. Paint chip there and a couple of scratches. There's a chip, a couple of light chips around it. I don't know if this came from like little rocks or chunks of salt. Big paint chip damage back here on this rear fender. Ugh, disgusting. And that's just after I just detailed the car. Countless little chips here. This thing just got murdered. Big chip there. This car is going to need a serious buffing and, you know, a good detailing, like a professional detailing. That looks horrible. Not good. Hey, you're a daily driver. This stuff happens. I am a daily driver. I do not baby my car. We do have an SUV. But if it's not snowing, I just want to be in the GT350, even if it's cold, even if it's raining, even if it's slushy. I just like it. Just want to drive it. Got tagged here on the paint a little bit by something. Got some big, like a scrape, something tagged the rear spoiler here, right there. I don't know if you can see it well. And it scratched right here. The car's so shiny, it's probably hard to see this stuff. And then it caught right there. I don't know if it's a pebble or something, but you have to clean that up. I've got that random orbital polisher. I'm gonna have to put it to use. You guys know how black paint holds up. Back, of course, doesn't really face any of the trauma that the front does, so looks pretty good. Check out the driver's side. Same kind of thing on the rear fender here. You got a ton of little tiny chips. I'm probably counting, I don't know, several hundred little tiny chips just worn out. Man, I should have expelled back here. I just, you know, didn't want to spend $6,000 to expel the whole car. But that's why you want to expel right there. That's where I had that little drone accident. I still got to buffer that out. Something tagged me on the roof here. A little chip there. A lot of imperfections in the Expel. Something blue. Some kind of blue, I don't know, fluid or something got on here. And I washed it off, but it still left some sort of like a residue on there. Can't get it out. So I imagine without this Expel, my front end would be completely devastated. I mean, if this is any indication, it's like Machine Gun Kelly came here and shot his machine gun. It's carnage. Little nod to Xander there. And also under the vinyl I'm getting some bubbles, which I do not like at all. You see that? A couple down here. Now some of these you can push, because I had one here, a big one, I pushed it, kind of pushed the air out. Might have these front stripes redone. Got tagged pretty bad here on the mirror in the first 300 miles of the car before I got it expelled. They cleaned it up a little bit and then they put the expel on it. For those of you who don't know, I have expel on the whole front of the car. Comes down through here and then it's on the mirrors, comes up all the way to the hood, all the way down the side and all the way down the front. Got some damage to the windshield here, a few chips here, got tagged by something. A few chips over here. I'm gonna have to take that to Auto Glass Direct out of New York. Those guys are awesome, do impeccable work. That's Auto Glass Direct in New York. What's up, Michael Matt? There's some of that little blue color right there. I don't know what that is. Something if paint or whatever, but I detailed it. I'll try to scrub it a little bit more, but it's leaving some sort of a residue on there. Nailed the rim. That's a heartbreaker right there. I do know a shop in Danbury, Connecticut that does impeccable work. I absolutely destroyed my forged aluminum rim on my 2017 STI, and these guys like made it brand new for like 150 bucks. So all in all, not complaining, just wanted to share with you guys what happens to your car when you drive it during the winter time. I wouldn't go back in time and change anything at all, except for maybe I would go back to when I was 12 and start saving up for a full car expel. But other than that, car seems to be holding up pretty well. A couple of dings here and there, but you know, having a good time. Yeah, that pretty serious chips there. Those things are hideous. You can see them from way back here. Oh my God, you can see them from like infinity. Not good. Gotta get that cleaned up in the spring. On the inside, no idea what this discoloration is here. I didn't get anything on it. Try to clean it off. Anybody ever seen anything like that? Huh. Keeping these little wrappers on here to keep it pristine for the next buyer of the car, because I roll like that.